How much 1 million Hamster Combat profit per hour is worth? How to calculate your profit. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're going to calculate the profit per hour in Hamster Combat, and we'll see how much 1 million Hamster Combat profit per hour is worth. We'll figure out what you can actually stand to gain once Hamster Combat airdrop launches. We're going to use a formula similar to that of NotCoin and apply it to Hamster Combat. We'll focus on profit per hour while excluding the hamster token and your current level in Hamster Combat. Our main focus will be on calculating the profit per hour. Now, looking here where it says profit per hour, I have about 400K profit per hour. Let's take, for instance, you want to calculate the profit per hour using the formula of NotCoin. So first, go to your calculator just like this. We're going to use a similar method to calculating profit in other crypto games. Let's take a hypothetical profit per hour of 15 million as an example. The next step is to divide this by 1,000. When divided by 1,000, you will get 1,500. The next step is find the price of the hamster coin in relation to a stable coin like USDT. We will use the bit price of the pre-launch token in Bybit. So we go to the Bybit app. On your Bybit app, click on More right here. Here you are going to see a bunch of different options. Head over to pre-market trading just like this. Now look for HMSTR, then choose it, looking here at the last traded price, which is 0.21 USDT, and the floor price here is 0.001 USDT. Let's multiply our result by 0.001 USDT, which is the floor price. Head over to the calculator again. Now multiply 1.5 by 0.001 USDT. Now, looking here, you're going to see our result. We have 1.5. You can stand to get 1.5 USDT if your profit per hour is the same thing. This is a presumption and not the actual gain once Hamster Combat gets to launch because the price in the presale market is much lower than what Hamster Combat is going to launch with. This is a basic method on how you can calculate your profit per hour to estimate your gains once Hamster Combat launches. And this is how to calculate Hamster Combat profit. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.